This 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 31G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, oven, carbon monoxide detector, awning, microwave, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, water heater, TV, air conditioning, stove-top burner, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 31G is 9,698 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.